Hi there. Can you tell us your name, title, and position with the company?
My name is Ashely, and I'm a laser operator and programmer here at Vidir.
How long have you been with us?
I've been at Vidir for almost 2 years now.
What are your core functions, key parts of your job?
I program and cut sheet laser parts on a CNC laser machine.
What is it about manufacturing that you enjoy?
I enjoy the physical element of working in manufacturing, and I really enjoy having something tangible to show for all your hard work at the end of the day.
Describe changes you have seen at Vidir that have led to positive change for you and for women in the manufacturing workplace or environment.
I think the biggest change I've seen just is in hiring practices mostly. Like, I'm starting to see a lot more women on the shop floor, and it's wonderful.
How can women make their mark in the manufacturing workplace?
I think we have a lot to offer, so I think all we have to do is enter the industry and show what we can do.
What advice can you give women considering entering the manufacturing industries?
I would say if it seems very difficult or hard at first, don't worry, it'll get easier. You get stronger, you build the skills you need, and you just got to keep trying.
What are some things that we can do to improve the image of manufacturing in order to attract more women into this industry?
I think the biggest thing we need to improve is exposure. I think a lot of women have never considered manufacturing, and we need to let other women know that it is a viable career option for them. Additionally, I think a lot of women are intimidated if they don't have the machinery or tool experience, and I think for the right candidates, if we offer work experience and help them with that, we'll see a lot more women in manufacturing.
Thank you.